Well, hello there, folks. So today I'm going to be teaching you guys to make a very easy to make dish that's great on days when you're feeling super lazy and fat. It goes great with a cool glass of beer. It is called Hamburger Tot Casserole. I don't know if that's what it's actually called, but that is my name for it. It's basically hamburger and tots, and you kind of make a casserole from it. So, without further ado, here we go. Alright guys, so in case you couldn't tell from the name, what we have to do first is brown some hamburger, some ground beef, some chuck, some of that cow that's been ground up and spit out into a block. It's actually quite tasty. So, what we're going to do now is we're going to brown some ground beef in this pan. Yes. Here we have the ground beef, and we are putting it into the pan. This is a pound of ground beef. It is perfect for a serving of 2 people. Boom. Now we will cook it with some magic. Presto! Shazam! And there we have it. Magic brown ground beef. So what we're gonna do is we are going to turn off the stove. We're going to get a baking dish, and we're going to put the ground beef into the baking dish.
Can we name our child, please? Or a dog? No.
I'm doing a video, damn it.
This one's not cheesy ass.
Don't mind that. That's just Erica being ridiculous. Alright, next what we're gonna do is we're gonna put cream of chicken up on top of the ground beef. And then we're gonna take some dry onion soup mix, about half a packet, and we're gonna sprinkle it on top generously. Don't mind that. That's just Erica burping, if you can hear it.
Someone fed me beer. Makes me burpy.
Okay, next what we're gonna do is we're gonna top the dish with some tots. Now we're gonna stick the whole thing in the oven at 400 degrees for 40 to 50 minutes. So yeah, we'll catch back up with you guys when that gets done. All right, folks, the meal is done, and this is what it looks like. I know, it doesn't really look like a lot, but it will be quite good. So I'm going to put it in bowls for us. It has been put into bowls. This is what it looks like when it's in bowls. I'm not going to show us eating it because we've had this many times and it's absolutely delicious. But it's a good meal to have whenever you're feeling super lazy, when you feel like you want to be a little bit fat. And yeah, it's cheap too. Can't beat cheap. So anyway, guys, that is my hamburger tater tot casserole dish. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you guys next time.